I'm gonna try and make a quick video here. That's how small this one is. It's so tiny. I can just pick this body up by hand. Now this is the old one and the damaged one. The new body is in place now. I am able to roll it all the way around with the custom socket. Let me show you what all that looks like. So here's the custom socket. It has 2 bolt patterns and clearance for the shaft. And I use just a simple, so I can use these baby wrenches to make the adjustments. Let me get underneath here and I'll show you what it's doing. Okay, so underneath the machine, you can see my access point. And here's one bearing housing. And now I can turn just the eccentric, and I will take out, once the eccentrics are adjusted correctly, then I will tighten up the outer ring, move the set screws to the inner body, obviously removing these, and then I can adjust these, which is what I believe I need to do now. But the reason that I had to make the socket, and I can't just use a spanner wrench, is because this side is way down in there. Let me get that socket on there. There we go. Now that socket's on this side, and I can adjust that eccentric. And when you engage, I'm going to remove the socket and then engage the worm. So now I'm got this little baby ratchet engaged on the worm. I'm just turning the worm only, and I'm going to rotate that body. And I don't know if this thing's going to focus real well because of the glare. But we're looking at the cam rollers themselves, and we want them to roll on that surface. When they get to the middle of the worm, stop rolling, and then on the way out they need to be rolling on that surface, not that one. So let's take a look and see what she's doing. Yeah, this one over here is rolling the wrong direction. They all appear to be rolling the same direction. Wait, did that one just stop turning? It did. This one over here stopped turning. So that tells me I need to move my worm that way. Whatever. Anyway, so once I've got it this far, then I lock down the outer ring and adjust the inner ring to get that worm to move this way, this way rather than parallel this way, and all that to get this thing perfect.